Hey there, and welcome to another first look from Craft Quest. I'm Ryan Ireland, and I'll be your instructor for this short lesson. In this one, we are going to talk about how we can use a plugin to organize our matrix blocks for a better authoring experience. So here's the idea: is that I am on this TrailQuest site, and this is the site that we build in the Real World Craft CMS course. And I have this content builder with a lot of different blocks. And as you can see, there are so many blocks, I don't even get them listed horizontally at the bottom anymore. I have to click on this dropdown in order to get to them. But what I would like is to give the authors a better experience so they can choose from a set of text blocks, perhaps a set of imagery blocks, and so forth. And that way, it's just a little bit clearer which blocks they want to add. We're creating just a slightly better authoring experience. So to do that, I'm going to look at the plugin called Spoon from Double Secret Agency. And again, this is the first look. If you haven't followed along with any of my first look videos before, I typically am using this for the first time. And that's what the deal is here with Spoon. So Spoon allows you to bend your matrix blocks and layouts to your liking. It's a commercial add-on at $59 per site, which gets you 1 year of updates. So let's go ahead and install this. I'll just copy the installation code. And then I'm going to do make, since I'm using a make setup here with my project. And then make composer require double secret agency craft spoon. And then we'll install the plugin. For me, it'll be make craft. You just do craft plugin install spoon. And that'll install the spoon and set up any database settings and data that you need. And then if we go back into our site here and go to settings, plugins, you should see Spoon right here. And let's go into the settings. All right, so we select a matrix field to configure the block type groups. And it says this will be used as the default group arrangement. For each instance of the matrix field in your field layouts, you'll be able to override the configuration. All right, so we'll create a new tab, and we're gonna do, this will be text fields. All right, so I got text. I can drag in rich text. What other text fields do I have? Pull quote. And testimonial. Okay, so let's do another tab for imagery. And here we'll do illustrations, charts, images. Let's see, stats is actually a text one. And then for our last tab, we will do CTA and cross cells. CTA cross cells. And then we'll drag those in. We can get to them. There we go. Cross cell. CTA. All right, let's save that. All right, so now we have our content builder. So I'm going to go back into my settings now. And I think if I go to my fields, my content builder, see if I get anything else here. No, so that looks all right. All right, so if I go edit my content, go to this one, see what we got. Okay, there we go. So now we have these. So I can choose by these different ones. So I can add a testimonial, and that adds it right there. Remove that. All right, nice. So now these are nice and organized. So I like that. That seems pretty cool. Let me go back to the plugin instructions, or at least at the plugin store. So I did this, and then I can organize your block fields into separate tabs. Okay, I wonder where I do that. So let's go back in. Okay, this is all good. Oh, interesting. So it organizes it here as well. So that's nice. I like that. Let me go back to my settings, to my fields, content builder. So if I go into, let me find image and caption. Don't see any way of making another field. All right, let's go back to our other settings. Oh, there we go. Okay. So within the different block types, let's say I go into, let me find images here. Images, I can actually add different tabs. So I can say this is asset. And for there, I do that. And then the next tab is content or text. We'll just do content. And then in here, I could put the caption. So let's say I had multiple different types of fields. I could do that and save it. And now we should get what I was trying to get at, which is all the way down here. I'm going to add a image. There it is. So that's really nice to be able to organize your matrix blocks both down at the bottom, so you can organize them by type. And then within the block, you can group the fields into multiple tabs if you did have a block that had several fields where it just looked weird for them all to be spread across the screen. So that is Spoon. Again, this is by Double Secret Agency. This is $59 a year. Looks like it works with Super Table. Everything is tracked in Project Config, and it's available for Craft 3 and 4. So go ahead and check that out if you need a way of improving the authoring experience on your Craft-powered websites. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.